In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First off, let's make sure you have everything set up in Slack. Open your Slack application and log in. Now look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile photo or your initials. Click on that, and from the pop-up menu, select Preferences. This will take you into the app settings where you can customize your Slack experience. Once you're in Preferences, it's time to navigate to Messages and Media. You'll find this tab within the Preferences window. Then click on it. Go ahead and click on it. This section allows you to control various media settings, but what we're interested in today is getting your forwarding address. Scroll down a bit until you come across the option for Get a Forwarding Address. Click on that, and Slack will generate a unique private email address specifically for your workspace. This address is going to be very important, so be sure to copy it to your clipboard for later use. Now that you have your unique Slack forwarding email, let's move on to automating the forwarding process in Gmail. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to access Settings, then navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Now, this is where the fun begins. You're going to create a new filter. Find the Create a New Filter option and click on it. A little dialog box will pop up, and here's what you need to do next. In the criteria box, paste the unique Slack forwarding email that you just copied into the To field. If you want to be specific, you can even set filters for particular senders whose emails you want to forward. Once you've filled this out, click on Create Filter. We're almost there. Now it's time to decide what happens to those emails in Gmail once they reach the filter. Here, you can choose actions like skipping the inbox or marking the emails as read. Doing this helps keep your Gmail clutter-free, allowing you to focus on what's important. Once you're happy with your selections, click on Create Filter one last time to save everything. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding directly into Slack, making communication and collaboration even smoother for you and your team. With this integration, you can ensure that anything important that comes into your inbox can easily find its way into your Slack channels, keeping everyone on the same page. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Happy forwarding!